Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? On this Tuesday morning, it is the 3rd day of October, clear as a bell out here this morning, and another comfortable day ahead with low humidity and a nice breeze. But we'll talk about a warm-up on the way. Alabama will be heating up again, especially by late in the week. We'll talk about that. Also, all eyes on the tropics. Could we be in for some tropical trouble? Well, it's certainly a possibility. We're looking at a scenario which could bring a tropical depression, maybe a tropical storm towards Alabama. Here, let me run it down for you. I'm glad you're here this morning. Here we go. Strong high pressures centered along the east coast will be, again, the mechanism that brings in a cool easterly breeze around the circulation around the high, and that cool easterly breeze circulates dry air into the region, lower dew points, and comfortable humidity. We like that. So, again, a mostly sunny day today with a high temperature in the middle 80s. Tonight, slow down to about 64. Nice easterly breeze at 10 to 16 miles per hour. Again, now we look at the tropics. 2 areas to watch from the National Hurricane Center, one southeast of Florida, the other one in the southern Gulf of Mexico and the western Caribbean. That's the one we are most concerned with. As we look at the satellite situation now, nothing organized, nothing to point a finger at. All right, so this is all future stuff that the models are suggesting. So as I walk you through the maps, and this is the European solution, Wednesday's a nice, warm, dry day here. We see the disturbed weather southeast of Florida. And then on Thursday, again, disturbed weather affecting Florida, but a nice warm day here. We're heating up into the upper 80s Thursday, and I think we're in the upper 80s Friday. We notice another tropical low developing off the Yucatan, and that's going to be something that apparently gels over the weekend, according to the European. It has a tropical low developing, maybe a depression starting to form in the central Gulf of Mexico Saturday. And look at this next map. This is Sunday evening. It shows maybe a tropical depression or a tropical storm south of Pensacola, moving on northward towards Alabama, with showers coming into the state Sunday late. And then Monday morning, it has, again, some sort of tropical entity in South Alabama. It looks pretty well formed, too. And then it's whisked to the northeast on Monday evening. Why? Because of an approaching cool front, which will pick the system up and then move it off quickly to the northeast. And I think by Tuesday morning, it is into the middle Atlantic coastal region as we get into cooler air. The cold front that moves the tropical system away delivers some cooler, nicer air for us. What a story, huh? So tomorrow, I think we're in the middle 80s with low humidity, and I think we're in the upper 80s on Thursday and Friday. Teetering close to 90 degrees Friday and probably 90 on Saturday, and then we'll bring in showers Sunday. But the weekend forecast is up for speculation depending on the tropical system. In fact, as you look at the European out 10 days, you see the blue bars at the bottom? That's the tropical showers coming in late Sunday and into Monday. So, we'll be watching that very carefully. The European likes the idea of taking us to around 90 on Friday. It's up for debate. Friday, Saturday will certainly be in that neighborhood. And then it cools us down quite a bit behind that cool front. Now, this is from the Climate Prediction Center, the forecast for October indicating warmer than normal weather through most of the eastern U.S., something we don't want to see. Stay on top of the tropics, stay on top of the 10-day forecast and all the other weather, including access to these blogs and videos that I make every day. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. Get that on your phone. Apparently, we have a lot to watch over the next several days. Let me mention and underline that tropical possibility is the world according to one model, the European model, but also the European model has had an excellent track record through Harvey, through Irma, through Maria. So we put a lot of stock in the European model. Will it work out this way for us on that tropical situation? We'll see. Stay tuned. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg J, Emily, and Bailey, who is right over there. And you'll hear her every once in a while. She's in the studio with us. And, of course, another video for you tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we continue to monitor the tropics. You know what tomorrow is? It's the anniversary of Opal, another storm that developed in the southern Gulf and moved our way. Have a good day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.